Students, in this video I am going to explain you third and fourth word problem of exercise 9.4. Now see the third question. A square field has a perimeter of 480 meter. Then what is the length of its side and find the area of the field? See, in this question we are given the perimeter of a square field which is 480 meter and we are asked to find out the length of its side and area of the field. Now which formula we have to use here to find the length of the side of a square field? See, since the perimeter of a square field is given to us, here we can use the formula of perimeter of a square. And perimeter of a square is 4 times side. Now perimeter is 480 meter. So 480 meter is equal to 4 into side. Here we have to find out the value of side. So we can shift this number 4 to the left hand side. When 4 goes to the left hand side, it will goes in the denominator. Hence, side is equal to 480 divided by 4, which is equal to 120 meter. So, side of a square field is 120 meter. Now, we have to find out the area of the field. Area of a square is side into side. And side of a square is 120 meter. Therefore, area will be 120 meter into 120 meter. Now, 12 into 12 is equal to 144. 144 is the square of 12. And then we keep these two zeros at the end of the answer. So, area will be 14,400 square meter. Hence, the answer is area of the field is 14,400 square meter. Now coming to the fourth question. What will be the cost of a mowing grass in a rectangular field of dimensions 240 meter by 120 meter at rupees 10 per square meter? See, in this question we are given the dimensions of a rectangular field. Dimension means length and breadth of a rectangular field. Dimension means we can say side of a particular object. Here rectangular field is given, so here dimension means length and breadth of a rectangle. Now length is given 240 meter and breadth is given 120 meter. And we are asked to find out the cost of mowing grass in a rectangular field. Now what do you mean by mowing? Mowing means घसना या फिर कट करना. Mowing grass in a rectangular field, it means here we are particularly talking about the surface of the rectangular field, right? Surface, or we can say that amount of space. And amount of space is nothing but area. Hence, to find the cost of mowing grass in a rectangular field, first we have to find out the area of a rectangular field. And area of a rectangular field is equal to length into breadth. Length is 240 meter and breadth is 120 meter. Children, when you multiply the two numbers 24 and 12, you will get the product 288. And then you can keep these two zeros at the end of the answer. This is an easy way to multiply any two numbers which are ending with the 0. Hence the area of a rectangular field is 28,800 square meter. Now we have to find out the cost of a mowing grass, which costs rupees 10 per square meter. See, the cost of a mowing grass per square meter is 10 rupees. But the area of a rectangular field is 28,800 square meter, right? Hence, the cost of a mowing 28,800 square meter area will be 28,800 into 10 rupees, which comes 2,88,000. Hence, the final answer is, what is the cost of a mowing grass? The cost of a mowing grass in a rectangular field is 2,88,000 rupees.